Hey Soul Tribe, I'm KamalaDevi, and this is my team for ISTA Seattle. This summer, we're excited to share with you a little about the magic we're going to co-create. I particularly am excited about this training because after 10 years of doing spiritual, sexual, shamanic work, I'm de-rolling, I'm releasing my position as a lead facilitator, and this is my final training. And so it's going to be a really beautiful graduation, personally, but also really feeling the soul contract that is with the people who are coming, the group that we're going to draw, I know is all going to be at their own personal thresholds of some big awakening. And that includes, the codes of the collective. There's a lot of change happening, in the cosmos and in our lives. And because I'm so connected to the queer community, it's a warm, safe welcome to the queer community, also BIPOC community, that we're going to be practicing not just inclusion, but specific rituals that will be experimental and playful. And so I'd love to share with you a little more about the container of the event. Amara, tell us about the venue.
Oh, the venue is a really beautiful place in the Kitsap Peninsula near Seattle. It's way out in the Northwest rainforest. Beautiful trees, beautiful little river with salmon running through it. It's kind of rustic and very, very private and beautiful. And it's going to be probably my 20th time going through the ISTA Level 1 training.
Wow.
And they've all been really potent, very safe, emotionally, very deep and transformative for myself and the people coming. So I'm really dedicated to the whole ISTA field and training.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I think that one of the beautiful things about getting to do ISTA at this venue in August is how alive the nature is there. And there's even spaces where we can go outside to do ritual. And there's something about the deepening into ourselves through ritual and the way that nature kind of meets us in that place, because the forest is so cared for, so alive there, that it really supports the journey I've found.
Mm, mm. I feel so excited to journey in an ISTA at this time. I think it's a time when a lot of us are feeling quite a bit of confusion, maybe fear, maybe yearning, maybe visions of better, settled, safer times. And I find that there's so much alive and active in my system that in times like this, ISTA has been one of my greatest allies in tuning in to really truly what matters to me at a really, really deep level, really clearing away some of the debris in my energy field and tuning my antenna towards what is really life asking of me right now. And yeah, I feel really honored to be a part of an ISTA at this time that I feel like helps all of us find deeper and deeper alignment, which is maybe the most important thing right now.
It brings me to the original like seed crystal that brought me into this field, which is to bring heaven on earth. Like as you speak about like what a destabilizing time and how much question and confusion and it's like we really have this opportunity. We can be in hell on earth or we can choose heaven, and we do that by leaning into love together. So
Yeah.
we hope that you'll join us in our little paradise.
Mm.
Blessings.